Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about 5 things you didn't know about refinancing. Okay, the first thing that a lot of people didn't know about refinancing is the more equity you have in your house, the lower your interest rate's going to be. So let's just say your house is worth $300,000 and you owe $200,000 on it. Because you have $100,000 equity in it, which makes your loan to value ratio, is what we call it, lower, they're going to give you a better interest rate on it. So basically, if you have 35% equity or more, you're going to get a better interest rate. And a lot of times your credit score doesn't even matter if you have that much equity in your house. Okay, the second thing that you probably didn't know about refinancing is most of the time when you're doing a conventional loan, you can get an appraisal waiver, which is an amazing thing because an appraisal costs anywhere between $450 and let's say $800 depending on how much your house is worth. So you could save that cost and you don't have to stress about somebody coming into your house to take pictures everywhere and then obviously worry about what they're gonna say is your value. So when you're going to refinance, the one thing that I'm always looking for is let's try to get you an appraisal waiver so you don't have to worry about the appraisal part of the process. Okay, the third thing that you need to know about refinancing is fees always equal interest rate. And the reason why I'm going to bring this up is because it's such a common question that comes to me is somebody will go to one of the online banks and say, hey, they're giving me this crazy low interest rate. And I'm like, pull up your fees. Because most of the time, not even most of the time, almost all the time, they're charging you a serious amount of money to get to that super low rate. Right now, the rates are already as low as they've ever been before, so there's no point in you paying extra points to get it down lower than that. So you always want to try to look at the fees and compare the fees and the rates. And don't just listen to, hey, the rate is this today, do you want to go ahead and lock in? Always ask for a fee worksheet because there's always something on it and you just want to make sure that whoever you're dealing with is giving you the whole truth with what you're talking about on the phone. Okay, the fourth item is mortgage insurance. So a lot of times if you just bought the house, like say you just bought it 6 months ago and right now the rates are just at historical low rates. So you probably want to refinance even though you're paying mortgage insurance. A lot of times on mortgage insurance, there's ways that you can take that amount and finance it into your loan. So it's something that you might be able to get a lower amount of mortgage insurance when you refinance it or just restructure it so it saves you even more money. But definitely work the mortgage insurance route to try to save you as much money as possible. Okay, the fifth item for refinancing is the rates right now are historical low rates, which pretty much means anybody in America can save money if you refinance on a house. With all this craziness we're going through right now, it's caused the interest rates to be super low. So basically what I'm telling people when you're refinancing is definitely do a loan that you're never gonna have to do again. So like a 30-year fixed mortgage where you're gonna, because the rates are lower than they've ever been and I don't know if we'll ever see these rates again. So do something where you don't have to refinance that loan ever again, which means like a 30-year fixed mortgage. If you could stay away from like an FHA loan, the reason why is on FHA loans, there's mortgage insurance that's added for the life of the loan. Well, you don't want to ever have to refinance this again. So if you're in a place to do a conventional, always choose the conventional because even if you're having to take mortgage insurance on that conventional loan, eventually that can fall off versus FHA, it can't fall off. So always try to look at right now a loan that you're never going to have to redo again because I don't know when we're ever going to see these kind of rates happen ever again. Anyway, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and if you need anything, please give me a call. My phone number is going to be right on the screen, and I hope you have a great day.